Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. It's Options Expiration Week. It's Friday, so I've pushed this out as far as I can go, pretty much. Alright, so let's look at this first. Alright. So that's a pretty good premium. Let's go with that. It's a half of what I made the first time. Alright, so that's good. What else we got? Just rolled it out a month. That's not due yet. This one's next. Fubo has gone down quite substantially. So, this doesn't look so good. Let's try to go out a little further before we do anything else too drastic. Oh, 7 cents. That's not good. Alright. So it's already in June. I could go up a strike. That should give me more room. That also increases my risk. I wanted to go down. That's not going to work. Let's go July. No strike exists in July. Okay. Alright. Well, doesn't look good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what I should do. I don't have any more ideas. Alright guys, I'll try to do this again later today. Hopefully it'll be a little different pricing. Alright guys, I'll give you guys an update if something different changes. Thanks for watching.